Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Today we are going to present about a one-stop online shopping retailer website which is 11 Street Malaysia. It is an open market platform that presents convenient and secure shopping experience to the customers. One of the goals of the system is to offer buyers and sellers the chance to enjoy shopping through revolutionary changes of internet transactions. Based on a few from the chapters of software engineering, there are several contents that we are going to talk about the 11th website, which are: first, functional requirement; second, non-functional requirement; third, user interface design principle; fourth, application programming interface; fifth, suggestion for future enhancement for the website; and the last one is comments about the website. So, let's get started now.
My name is Muhammad Umar bin Al-Aziz. I will discuss about the functional requirement for the 11th Street website. Membership registration. This is a service for guests approaching to become an 11th Street member. For account registration, the user need to key in username, email and password. Then they can choose either they will become the buyer or seller. Login page. Login page is a secure area of the system that allows the user to log onto the web application. They have to insert the username and password for the account protection of the registered user. In case the user member forget their password, the system provides the link to reset the password which will be sent only to member email. Search feature. The search engine should be able to recognize and discriminate between synonym, typos, plural, prefix, and suffix in a logical manner. Shopping cart feature. The system should allow user to add or remove product in the shopping cart. The user may have only one shopping cart each and may empty their cart at any time. Item selection. 11th Street customer must be able to view their order history. Each customer must be able to view placed order status. Customers should be able to validate and confirm their invoice after they finalize the purchase. Lastly is transaction feature. Only member can access the transaction page. They must fill in the respectable details such as recipient name, address, email, phone number, special message. User also must choose one of the payment methods such as credit or debit card, online banking, ATM, bank transfer, cash, or through 7-Eleven. Then user have to follow the instruction to pay the item based on the method chosen.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Fakri bin Muhammad Fauzi. Now we're going to talk about non-functional requirement. Instability. The system provides for the webshop client application to be installed by a typical customer who has no special expertise. The installation process shall be convenient and involve the entry of little information by the user. The client application shall be downloaded from the service website. Availability. Requirement about how often the system becomes unavailable. System provider shall meet the agreed availability target. Performance. Fast response time for user login. The average response time for user login after entering username and password should be no more than 3 seconds and the maximum response time should be 10 seconds. Security. All customers' account information must be stored in the system database. Only the database administrators are allowed to have direct access to the database for making changes that are for maintenance purpose. Usability. The system should be user-friendly. The icon must clearly be identified its function to help user. The system can be used even by non-tech user. If there are any questions about the system, user can go to online support to get help. The support usually can be accessed 24/7. Information security. The system uses session object to register verification for preventing unregistered user to bypass the registration interface to trade directly into the application system.
User Interface Design Principle. User Familiarity. Usability is evaluated with familiarity by users, and the user interface reflects that by using terms and styles the user potentially knows or are at least familiar with. On 11th Street Online, they use categories instead of file directory or folders. Consistency. The interface should be consistent in that, wherever possible, compatible operations should be activated in the same way. Keeping your interface consistent across your applications is important because it allows users to recognize usage patterns. Minimal surprise. The system should be able to operate what the user wants. 11th Street website provides the search bar on the top of the page, so commonly users have expectations, and the role of a user interface designer is also to not disappoint them. Recoverability. Ability to take corrective actions upon recognizing error. Difficult or recovery procedure should relate to difficulty of original task. There are two types of recoverability: forward recovery and backward recovery. User guidance. The user cannot log in when a username or password entered is incorrect. The system will also display error notice when the user entered an invalid credit card number. This is to guide the user to enter true input data as expected by the system. User diversity. 11th Street website's interface provides interaction facilities to support different types of users. 11th Street website tries its best to cater for all the different types of users who will engage with the user interface, such as gender, technical level, disability, and etc.
As usual, most of web shops will have application for mobile which can be downloaded from Google Play. This shows that the web shop use Android API for Android users, same as 11th Street website. The API level may vary among different Android devices. Facebook and Twitter API categorized as Web Services API. Customer can tweet about this web shop by clicking on the Twitter icon. Customer also can sign in or register the web shop by using their Facebook account. This web shop gain likes from the Facebook user. By using this API, 11th Street website can be shared and promoted to other people through the social media. Banking API are more to private API. Customer can purchase their item instantly with just some click. Customer information are secure by the security. For example, they will receive verification code before proceed for the payment and will receive message about their transaction. These are some suggestions to improve this website's performance. Facebook Messenger API for easy conversational interface between user and seller. Google Maps API, user can locate their item during delivery process. YouTube API allows seller to promote their item and give more visualized information to customer.
Hello, my name is Nick Muhammad Nafis bin Inaha. Now, I would like to talk about suggestions for future enhancement for the website, that is 11street.my. First thing first, add theme pages. People want to know, like, and trust the owner before they buy from them. Let the visitors know who's behind the scene in 11th Street Open Marketplace and what the owner's culture is all about. At the end of the day, people do business with people, so let the visitors see who they're doing business with. Second, progressive enhancements. It is the technique of building websites with strong foundations so that it's accessible to the wide range of browsing situations, for mobile device and notebooks, to desktop and screen readers, so our user always remembers us in the future and its simplest conceptualization. Last but not least, use attractive calls to action. In creating or modifying buttons for the website, the web designer should think about color and the psychology of color. Study found that researchers are shocked to find that they achieve an increase of 11% in clicks of website by testing color variations and action messaging. Different colors evoke different messages. 11th Street web designer should think about the message for a user, trust, experience, intelligence, and choose the color wisely. That's all.
Finally, comments about the 11th Street website. First, appearance. 11th Street website is visually appealing, polished, and professional. The website fulfills good use of color. The web designer used an appropriate color scheme containing 2 or 3 primary colors that blend well and create a proper mood or tone for the business. Plus, 11th Street also provides text that is easy to read. The website uses the most easily read combination, which is black text on a white background. Second, content. The contents in 11 Street websites are short and organized. These websites mostly got hooked their visitors to grab their attention by being clear, concise, and compelling. Moreover, the contents also updated regularly. 11 Street websites regularly put new contents such as promotion, shocking deals, and more. Third, usability. Talking about prominent and logical navigation. Menu items are placed at the top of the website or above the fold on either side. So, it is easy for visitors that are in a hurry to find the items they want. As a conclusion, all the contents that are delivered by us, we can conclude that the web system functionality and design are very crucial in order to gain many visitors and customers, so it will improve our business. Therefore, no wonder 11 Street website is one of the online shopping websites that build a good system to satisfy their visitors and customers. That's all from us. Thank you.